Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the sympa Dimmable table lamp with 7 brightness levels and 5 different color temperature. It has an USB charging port and everything is touch control. It's very flexible, has memory functions, and it's available in 2 different colors, in silver and black. So we are going to take it out of the box and see what we get. I think it's a very interesting light. Comes nicely protected. Here we have also some basic information about the specs and everything, and it comes with this 2-prong power adapter which is suitable for worldwide voltage. Then we have the device itself, comes even with some cleaning towel. So here we have it. What's also important is the length of the power adapter cable, and it is 6 feet long, which is a huge advantage compared to other models. So it's very flexible, you can mount it almost everywhere. And something which is also important to know, that we have a very smooth surface here down here. I mean, it doesn't have any kind of non-skid feet or so, but it is very smooth, so it protects everything. You don't have to be worried, you can move it around, it won't scratch anything. And then we have to plug it in here, and then we are already ready. And now we can adjust the angle and the height and everything. And what's really convenient is that we can move the angle extremely to the side. I think this is one of the main advantages here. I mean, also this thing here, you can move it to the back in quite some angle and also to the front. But now let's turn it on and see the light. Yeah, it's very beautiful, and this is really absolutely amazing. This is almost something which you can play around. Watch this thing here, this sensor area. This is so nice to increase or decrease the brightness. Of course, my camera can't show the full range of the light because it tries to adapt to the brightness of the light a little bit, but it's quite a huge range. I can tell you this is super bright, but we can easily dim it with this many different settings. So now we are at the lowest point, and with a long press we can just turn it off again. Short press will turn it on, and the good thing is also it has memory function. When we turn it on, it will go back into the exact same position and also into the same color temperature. And now I'm trying to show you the different color temperatures. The big problem with this thing is that my camera here tries always to compensate the different color temperatures. So you will see the change just for a very short time, but you can imagine what we can do. The differences are even much more than what you can see. I can tell you, especially this one here is a very warm light, very comfortable, very good for the eyes, for long reading or long working. But you have also very neutral things, like for a large office. If you want to be neutral, let's say you use this in a large office space, then you want to have it more on a neutral level, and this is very good. And I mean, this is very beautiful. Watch this thing here. And very convenient. We have this USB-A outlet which you can use to charge your phone or power bank or whatever. The USB outlet is not super powerful, but we can safely use a little bit more than 1 amp. I've tested this. You can see maybe 1.2 amps, but of course it doesn't come with any kind of quick charge or PD compatibilities. But everything is working really good. I would say it's very sturdy, it's beautiful, it's solid built. All the joints here are working really good, really solid. You can move it up and down and use it in so many flexible positions. And also up here, you can see you can move this thing to both of the sides. It's super flexible. So I think it would also work as a really nice gift, and so I can give you full recommendation on that, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.